Hello, welcome friends, me Anila. The topic of my discussion is about electric current. But before this, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Friends, in this video, I will tell you why do birds not get electrocuted on wires. That means why birds not get electric shock on wires. First of all, what is current? Current is the flow of electrons. First of all, we have to know that what is conductance. It is a measure of how easily electric current flows through a material and the movement of ions in solution. So when current flows through a material, how easily it is conductance or movement of ions in solution, the conductance. For example, if there is a salt solution, salt contains ions like sodium and chloride ions. So due to these ions, when these ions flows, that means it's a good conductor. So this is conductance. Now resistance. It is a measure of opposition to the flow of electric current. It is reciprocal to conductance. So resistance is inverse of conductance. It is actually the opposition to the flow of electric current. It is reciprocal to conductance. Many factors affect conductance and resistance. For example, length. If length increases, resistance increases, conductance decreases. If cross-sectional area increases, conductance increases, resistance decreases. If temperature increases, conductance increases, but resistance decreases. So these are definitions of conductance and resistance. Now, what is conductor? It is a substance in which an electric current can pass. For example, copper, iron and graphite. What are conductors? These are substances in which electric current can pass. For example, copper, iron and graphite, they are metals. They contain valence electrons, and when they are joined to a circuit, current can easily pass. So they are known as conductors. Copper wires are used for the flow of electric current. In iron is also a conductor. Graphite is a form of carbon that also contains electrons and it is also a conductor. Now, insulator. It is a substance in which electric current cannot pass. For example, plastic, rubber and dry wood. So, insulator is inverse of conductor. It is a substance in which electric current cannot pass. For example, plastic, when we wear plastic shoes, slippers, so these are insulators, no electric current can pass, and dry wood. So these are definitions of conductor and insulator. Now what is current? Electric current is the flow of electrons. Now, electric current can easily pass through saline water but cannot pass through sugar solution. It is because saline water means a solution of salt and water. Salt and water solution contains ions. These ions include sodium and chloride ions. When the salt solution is joined to a circuit, the electric current can easily pass because it's a strong electrolyte. On the other hand, sugar solution is weak electrolyte. and no current pass through this sugar solution because of its weak electrolyte capacity. Now, electric current passes when there is a difference of potential or the circuit is complete. Electric current whenever passes when there is a difference of potential on the both ends. If the potential on both ends is same, no electric current pass. Human body is also a conductor because it contains ions. So we need to wear plastic slippers, insulator while handling electrical appliances. So our body is also a conductor because it contains ions like sodium, potassium, and chloride ions. Due to these ions, current can easily pass through our body. So we need to wear plastic slippers which are act as insulators so that no current flows through these slippers during handling of electrical appliances. Because these plastic slippers act as insulator, so the current that flows through our body doesn't reach on the ground due to these plastic slippers that are insulators during handling electrical appliances. Birds have feathers that act as insulators, and because on wire their 2 feet are at the same electrical potential, so circuit is not completed, so they are protected from electrical shock. Actually, the birds have feathers and their feet that contains waxes that are forms of lipids. These lipids are insulators that no electric current can pass through them. Due to this reason, birds can be protected from electric shock. And because on wire, their 2 feet are at the same electrical potential. For example, if there is a wire and the bird is sitting on one wire by its 2 feet, then due to the same electrical potential, no current flows. The circuit is not completed, so they are protected from electrical shock. However, if a bird sits in such a way that one foot on one wire and other foot on other wire, then due to difference in electrical potential, current can easily flows and the birds can get electrical shock. However, birds can get electrocuted if they touch a ground object or metal, because if they touch ground object or metal, then they can get electrocuted, because in metal the electron can easily flow and the birds can get electrocuted or can get electrical shock. In this way, birds are protected. Friends, if you have any question, you can ask me on comments. I can help you. Thank you.